In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening Theme Store app and selecting a perfect theme for you from here. I will go with this one. After picking a perfect one, hit apply at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access Devices Settings, click on Wallpapers and Style, go into Themes section and click on Apply under a default theme. Then select Apply here and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!